This is going to be a reading for the sign of Pisces. So what can Pisces possibly expect for the next few days? Let's take 2 weeks, next 2 weeks. Okay, so here we go. So Pisces in soulmate relationships. So what's really happening in your life right now? Let me pull 2 cards for what's coming up for Pisces. Pisces in soulmate relationships. Right now, the Devil card, you feel a solid attachment to someone. Okay, this someone could be a water sign for some of you, could also be a Capricorn for some of you. Okay, could also be a air sign for some of you. I see you being attached to a water sign, being Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Could also be air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Could also be Capricorn for some of you. Okay, if it is not this sign, then you are definitely attached to someone. You cannot let go of someone. You have this person on your mind 24/7, and somewhat in a very addictive manner, in a very obsessive manner. Okay, so yeah. So in terms of how are you thinking about this person, Pisces people? One card, how you'll be possibly thinking about this person in the coming days. With Page of Pentacles, many of you guys are wanting to start fresh with this person. You guys are wanting to initiate something. I would not say start a relationship, but I'd say you are wanting to initiate something. We have Page of Pentacles and the Devil card. So something tells me that you might want to communicate, you might want to start a communication, because pages are all about communication, and I see you wanting to start something with Page of Pentacles here. Okay, so in terms of how do you feel for this person, or how you'll be possibly feeling for this person moving forward, sorry for this. With Ace of Pentacles, I very much see you wanting a fresh new beginning with this person. Okay, you are wanting a fresh new start with this person with Ace of Pentacles at the bottom here. With Four of Swords, right now you guys are not in communication. I can give you in writing that you guys are not in that sort of a communication. Even if you guys are talking, it is not much. Okay, you guys are sticking to the point, maybe asking if the other person is doing well and this and that, but not really, communicating to the to a point of it. Okay, like hello, hi, just that kind of stuff, normal stuff. So let's see about your person. The people Pisces are connected to, how are they doing? What's their life scenario like? Spirit, give me one card for that, please. I'm sorry for doing this late. Wasn't in good health lately. Life is fucking us up. Yeah, your person has kind of walked away from you, or is trying to walk away from you. You know my readings are always honest and to the point. I see your person wanting to stay away from you and just walk in a new direction. I believe for many of you, your person has walked away or will be trying to walk away. Emotionally, they are not available or not wanting to make themselves available. I still feel for many of you, your person has water in their chart. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, could also be Leo for some of you, but I see water sign extremely strong. So in terms of like, what can Pisces possibly expect from their person now? In terms of what Pisces can possibly expect from their person now, your person is extremely confused. But I see them wanting to stay away from you. If not walk away, stay away. Okay, walk away is a big word. I see them trying to stay away from you emotionally or walk in a new direction. For many of you, your person has not completely moved on from you. I'll be very honest with you. In terms of if you communicate with this person will reply. Okay, I know that this person is missing you, but they are trying to walk away from you. I'll be very honest here. If you're wondering if your person thinks about you, yes, they do think about you. Like, will they communicate with you? If you communicate with them, yes, they will. Okay, so this is something I see very strongly here. Okay, so that was your energy. So let's start your tarot. Pisces soulmate relationships. For some of you, your partner might want an apology. Okay, they might want you to possibly apologize before starting communication. They feel like you've hurt them or you've left them in a very uncertain manner. Okay, with the World card, you guys definitely ended the ties over kind of on a breakup. I believe with Emperor card, one of you were behaving very much heartless and emotionless and just wanted to stay stuck to what you believed in. Okay, with Eight of Pentacles, I believe you both were trying to just stay focused on your own life, and many of you guys were getting attention from other people, so it did not bother you that much. Okay. But even if your person is getting attention from other people, they do still think about you. Okay, I see it very clearly. So yeah, let's start. What's the overall energy like between Pisces and their person spirit? Pisces and their person. What's the overall energy going to be like for Pisces and their person for the next few weeks? We have the Hierophant. So you both are trying to stay focused on your own self. Okay, some of you might be married, some of you might already be in a commitment elsewhere, and that's the reason why you cannot get into a proper relationship. But if not that, I believe you both are staying stuck to your own beliefs, your own culture, your own upbringing, your own thinking. Okay, the Hierophant is not always marriage and commitment. Sometimes it's about you just wanting to stay focused on your own image, your own self. Okay, in terms of how are they thinking about you, one card for like your partner's energy towards you. In terms of your partner's energy towards you, let's take one card for them, please. For some of you, your partner is already committed, or you were committed and that was one of the main issues. I see your person being extremely unaware in order to, this person is trying to walk away or just stay away, but they are not completely done with you. That much I can tell you. Okay, Spirit, give me one more card for what's the energy going to be like towards Pisces for the next few weeks. I see them being very blank, like they do not have a solid idea as to what to do. Okay, I see them very messed up. With the Chariot card, they are wanting to move forward. Okay, and with the Empress in the reverse, even if they communicate with you, they will not be loving and devoted. Okay, this person will behave like they have already moved on. If you communicate with this person, the answer or the way they'll behave around you is just like they have moved on from you, like they have nothing to do with you possibly. Okay, but they are very messed up. They haven't moved on. That's the truth. Give one more card for how are they possibly thinking about you? What's their energy like towards you, Pisces people? With Three of Pentacles, I see them still in some which way wanting to be a part of you. No matter what this person tries to say or do, I still feel on some which level this person does not want to let you go. Okay, they are still wanting you around, no matter what they say, what they show, how they behave, or what sort of thing they try to prove to you. I still feel on some which way they are not wanting to let you go. Bottom card is Four of Pentacles. They are wanting to hold on to you in some which way. Okay, this might not be in a major way commitment and relationship, but they're still wanting you around. Okay, so in terms of how are they thinking about you, one card for how are they possibly thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you? You got a card already. With the Hanged Man, this person feels stuck to you and they will not make a move. It will be on you to make a move on them. I do not see this person making a move on you. They are watching you from a distance. They are keeping a close watch on you. This person is definitely stalking you. They are watching you from a distance, but I do not see them majorly wanting to make a move. They'll wait on you. Trust me on this. This person will wait on you. Okay. So in terms of their intentions towards you now, one card for Pisces. So your soulmates' intentions towards Pisces, please. This person is definitely keeping a watch on you. Okay. For some of you, selected few of you, your person might be slightly elder to you in terms of age. In terms of intentions, they don't miss you, but they won't do anything much about it. Okay, Five of Cups is a card where where someone thinks about you, but they are more focused on the past than in the present. And for a person who is focused on the past, they will waste time on the past. They will not put an effort to fix the present. So I see your person staying focused in the past and just thinking about your connection or your relationship, if you had one in the past, of all the times that you guys have spent together. I do not see this person doing much about it. Okay, in terms of action, what you can possibly expect from them? In terms of action, what you can possibly expect from them, Pisces people? This person does think a lot about you. Okay, with 5 of Cups, they do even miss you sometimes. In terms of action, they wish they could be around you. They wish they could communicate with you, but I don't think they will. Okay, but in terms of action, they are wanting to. If you initiate something, they will definitely come towards you, like make a move towards you. Do not expect relationships as soon as possible, or within a one step go. They'll be open to connections. No. Do not expect that, because this person has the card of the Emperor. So they will behave very dominant, very self-controlled, and someone who has a control over their emotions, feelings, and action. Okay, but if you make a move, I believe they will reciprocate, or they will reply. Okay, in terms of their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you. Pisces soulmates current feelings towards Pisces, please. In terms of feelings, they majorly feel played by you. Okay, I see the 5 of Swords. They are very upset with you. Okay, if you have done something wrong to them, if you have, okay, I'm not saying you have. If you have, then they believe you played them dirty. Okay, if you haven't played them, then they are playing mind games with you. Like, they are wanting to pretend like they are well over you and they have nothing to do with you. Even if you communicate with them, I see them still pretending to be like, they have moved on, or they are nothing to do with you. Okay, with 5 of Swords as feelings is somewhere where someone is deeply upset with you, like angry with you, not just not just upset, but angry, and very much wanting to hurt you in some which way. Okay, in terms of how do they feel about you when they think of you? How do they truly feel about you when they miss you, or when they think of you? This person will pretend that they have gotten over you. Okay. In terms of how they feel about you or think of you, they still wish that you were around them. We have 10 of Cups. Okay, they still wish and hope that you were around them, and this connection still stayed, and this connection still worked in some which way in the past. Not now, I'm saying in the past. They wish that things never broke between the two of you. Oh, so that's what I see for you guys in terms of feelings. Okay, so in terms of like where this is possibly moving forward, in terms of where this is possibly moving forward, one card for it is possibly moving forward for Pisces and their soulmate. One card for this possibly moving forward for Pisces and their soulmate. With the Moon card, I do not see much action. I still see you guys waiting on the other to take action. If you are waiting on them, they are definitely going to wait on you. And if that continues, then I do not see much happening, guys. I'll be very honest, pinpoint honest, that I don't see much happening if you both are waiting on each other. One of you will have to take action. Otherwise, this will just be the way it is right now. Okay. So what are they possibly wanting from you? One card for what are they possibly wanting from you? With the King of Wands, they want you to take action. They want you to initiate that action, or take that first step forward towards them. Okay, so what action are they wanting you to take towards them? What action are they really wanting you to take towards them? I believe that they are wanting you to initiate. Okay, and they are definitely waiting on you. This much I can guarantee you. They might pretend at the very start of it that that they are well over you, but I don't think so. They are. Okay, with 3 of Wands is action. They are wanting you to approach them or ask them if like about their whereabouts, or like if they are fine, if they are not, and stuff like that. Okay, so let's take the love messages now. I believe your partner is waiting on you. Trust me on that. They will not budge otherwise. I don't see this person taking action towards you if you do not take action towards them. Okay, so let's take love messages for Pisces people. Please do hit the like button, guys. Comment, subscribe. Please support the channel. Your likes, subscribes means everything to me here. I hope that you guys will support the channel with your likes. I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it was breaking my heart. Okay, I don't think you still love me. Okay, and for some of you, I have so much of you in my heart. So this person still has feelings for you. I have so much of you in my heart. That means even if you guys are not communicating, this person still thinks of you, still keeps you in high regards. Yes, when you approach them, they might pretend like they have moved on or they have nothing to do with you anymore. But trust me, this person still wants you to take action towards them. Okay, so one kind of advice for my dear Pisces people. You know I love you guys, right? I've always loved the Pisces. My ex was a Pisces, by the way. With the Magician, if you want to manifest, you should manifest. If you want to take action, you should take action. What are you wanting to do? Do it. Okay? Don't wait on it. With Six of Pentacles, if you wait on it, this thing is just going to prolong. Okay? I don't see much happening if you do not take action, to be honest with you. So yes, this was your reading. I hope you could connect with it. And if you have, please do hit the like, subscribe, and see you soon, darlings. Cheers. And stay safe, stay home.